Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. Today we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology topic. Today onwards I want to teach in English only, not Telugu. Please try to understand and inculcate to learn in English. So very important topic, that is the most absolute question coming area topic, that is one you have to see. NASA probe makes closest ever pass by sun flies closer to the sun than any other craft. So NASA probe, United States of American Space Agency, NASA probe makes a closest ever pass by sun flies closer to sun than any other craft. What is the theory is there inside? Once you have to see. NASA probe makes closest ever pass by the sun. NASA, a pioneering Parker solar probe. NASA pioneering Parker solar probe made history when it flew close to the sun, the solar surface, on December 24th, 2024 than any other spacecraft. With its heat shield exposed to scorching temperatures topping 930 degrees Celsius. How many? 930 degrees Celsius it withstand and is there. Once again I am teaching, once you have to see. NASA's pioneering Parker solar probe made history when it flew close to the sun, the solar surface, on December 24th, 2024 than any other spacecraft, with its heat shield exposed to scorching temperatures topping 930 degrees Celsius. Launched in August 2018, this one launched in Parker's solar probe, launched August 2018. The spaceship is on a 7-year mission. This is the 7-year program mission. Launch vehicle Delta 4 heavy with upper stage. Delta 4, we are launching this satellite through the vehicle Delta 4. Became the first spacecraft to fly through the corona of the outer layer of the sun. The sun's uppermost surface is in 2021. So first spacecraft to fly through the corona, the sun's upper atmosphere, 2021. In 2021 it reaches to the corona, up to the corona. The mission objectives of the Parker's solar probe are to study the structure and dynamics of the sun's corona. We have to observe the nature of the sun's corona and dynamics of the sun's corona, the sun's magnetic field and the sun's solar wind capacity we have to observe. What are the main objective for the Parker solar probe? The Parker solar probe main objective is to study the structure and dynamics of the sun's corona and the sun's magnetic field and the solar wind. To achieve this, the probe will make a total of 24 close approaches to the sun over the course of its mission. How many years? Within the 7 years, how many times it approaches to the sun? 24 close approaches were takes place, getting as close as 3.83 million miles from the sun's surface, which is about 7th times closer than any previous spacecraft. This is very close. Previously this is the 7th time. How many times it should be acted? Again one more, so for up to the 24 minus 7 you have to take, so those many times it will come. So that is the 17th times they will close to the corona side and then they'll observe. Parker solar probe and instruments are protected from the sun by 4.5 inch thick carbon composite shield is there. A thick carbon composite shield. How many inches are there? 4.5 inch thick carbon composite shield is protected from the corona's temperature, sun's temperature. This is very advanced version, Parker Polar Solar Probe, so which can withstand temperatures reaching nearly 2500 degrees or 1377 Celsius. So it can withstand. What is withstand? Parker Solar Probe spacecraft withstand 4.5-inch thick carbon composite shield, withstand this much of the temperature, that is the temperature 2500 degrees or 1377 Fahrenheit temperature it can withstand. Once again you have to see what is the mass of the Parker's Solar Probe. So 685 kilograms at launch time. At launch time that mass is 685 kilograms. Scientific instruments are there, fields experiment fields they will observe, integrated science investigations of the sign, ISIS is their scientific instruments we are using, wide field imager for solar probe, WISPR, and solar wind electrons, alphas and protons, so SWEAP. These are the scientific instruments we kept in this 685 kilogram Parker Solar Probe. This Parker Solar Probe reached the area when it is reached, once you have to see in 2018 we sent this one. So when we sent, this is the Parker Solar Probe satellite. So this Parker Solar Probe satellite we send through Delta 4 vehicle, that is there in 2018. So now onwards it is going to move. Where it is moving, once you have to see in Earth orbit it is going. After this Earth orbit it is moving towards the first attempt, the second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt, fifth attempt, sixth attempt, seventh attempt. Once you have to see, these are the attempts. Now you have to take here in 2019 they observed, so 14.7 million miles, 2019 14.7 million miles discovery of switchbacks in the solar wind. So now you have to see 2021 discovery of the switchback origin in 2021, 8.12 million miles is there. Now you have to see that this is the sun's upper layer. You have to see in the sun's corona, upper layer sun's corona, how much. So now today, so today means December 24th, so December 24th 2024, the closest final approach. What is the closest final approach? So that is 3.83 million miles, 3.83 million miles. This is the closest approach till now. Till now, closest approach is so 3.83. So in April 2021, 8.3 million miles distance it is rotating now. So while rotating, it come to this side. And in 2024, so what is that? 3.83. This is the closest approach of the sun's corona. This is the journey through the sun's atmosphere of Parker's Solar Probe. This is very important. There is a question coming area from the Parker's Solar Probe. This Parker's Solar Probe is purely to study about the sun's nature. Once you come to know the sun's nature, we have to observe when the earth and creation is forming, all those things we are discussing, and we have to assume, and so much of the data will get, and we have to interpret that data. By using the interpretation of data, we are revealing the new theories. So please share and subscribe. Once again, I am telling to you, I wish you a prosperous and healthy happy new year to all our who are viewing our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.